Alright, subscribers and notification gang, welcome back to the channel. This video will be about how we store our new pads and how we store our pads after they're used. Right here, as you can see, we have our pads. They've already been washed. Everybody's seen how to wash your pads. We don't have to cover that in this video. We do keep a large bag inside of our storage box that we store our pads in. Once the pads have been opened, before we use them, we put the plastic inside of the bag, so once we're done with the pad and it's washed, we can return it to the plastic. Alright, notification gang, thanks for hanging in with us thus far. The video is almost over. Alright guys, this is our pad storage box. We have an assortment of pads from 1 inch, ranging from 1 inch all the way up to 5 inches. As you guys can tell, we love Lake Country and Meguiar's pads. Some type of pad storage is always a good idea to keep dust and debris from getting on your pads. Thanks for viewing. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Peace. We'll get back with you in the next video.